Well, folks, it's that time of year again. It's almost the new year. Hey guys, Engine Mood 3652 here, and welcome to my third annual fire alarm sounding for the new year. Just quickly going over everything, I have 18 different alarms, and they all make noise. And I'm going to be sounding them all off to bring in 2018. 18 alarms for 2018. This year has been an incredible year for my channel. I couldn't have done it without you guys. I know you guys hear this a lot from other people, but I really appreciate it. I wouldn't be here if it weren't for you guys, and I really appreciate your support and the growth that you have given me. I hope everybody has a great new year. Everybody's families have a great new year. And, yeah, let's get to the sound. All right, everybody, we have 23 seconds to new year. And get ready to pull the Faraday chevron. Again, look at all the alarms. 17, 16, 15, 14. You'll see it in top right. All right, guys. 10 seconds to 2018. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, everybody! Oh my gosh, that was unbelievably loud. So that's going to wrap up the New Year's special, guys. Thank you guys for watching.